Job.
So my son,
Swapnil Chauhan says jobless from September 2020.
yes, so
Yeah,
my
sorry.
son, he switched to Infosys just 2 months back only.
Sorry, come again.
My son, he got a job, means he switched to the corporate like Infosys just 2 months back.
Does your son like blue color?
Yes, sir. He loves blue color. His bed sheets are blue. His means almost all the things are blue, and even red also. Like he's fond of guitar, so he got his guitar cover of a red color only.
Does he wear red color shoes?
Yes, sir. He bought chappal, shoes.
And does he have a gray color tracksuit?
What's a gray?
Gray, dark gray tracksuit.
Yeah, so 4 pairs are there. 4 pairs. He's having 4 pairs.
You know how I predicted this? This is again Nimitta, my rascal son, who has been instructed to sit in his room, came to disturb me. He loves disturbing me whenever I'm taking lecture. Before the lecture, half an hour, I'll shout at him, do everything. He came wearing a blue shirt. Saturn was in 6th house. In the Prashna, Saturn is in 6th house. So for me, I connected the Nimitta and Prashna. Just give me that shirt. Just give me that shirt. Anything I see. Upside down. See, this is the shirt. So when I predicted the blue color shirt, okay, and you said yes, he loves blue, he removed the blue color shirt. Then he was wearing a gray, he's still wearing a gray tracksuit, okay. So I said, your son must be having tracksuit. Now, who has 4 pairs of gray color tracksuits? Everybody. Normally, we go for variations, right? Hello? Does everybody agree with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, he is wearing a red color slippers. So I said, does your son wear red color shoes? Or something like that. What did you reply?
Yes, sir. He wears slippers also, shoes also.
Red.
Yeah, red.
How many of these does he have?
1 pair is still he has not used. He got it from some high like mall, but it is not used. It's totally new. 1 he is wearing it, and 1 red color slipper.
So total 4.
3.
3. Okay. Now normally we don't buy red color shoes. Are you all getting
Sir, I'll
it?
tell the secret why. Sir, I'll tell the secret why he got it.
Tell me.
Hanish Bagga, sir. Once I consulted him, he told me ask him to wear red shoes. So
Sir,
he got
Rahu in
red
12th.
shoes.
Sorry?
Yeah, exactly. Rahu in 12th.
Achha. Regarding Nimitta, after I got married, my wife's friend gifted her red color shoes. Wife was wearing. I was driving with her to my home. So I told her, tell your father that the property deal he's doing, my father-in-law was in native place. I've told this story before also earlier. My father-in-law was in native place. एक second. My father-in-law was in native place. Freezer man, my father-in-law was in native place. He was there to sell his property to pay off his loans. So and he had done the deal. The buyer was there, the deal was done. And he was they were supposed to sign on the document 2 days later or something like that. So I told my wife, since you're wearing these shoes, that deal won't happen. She was shocked. She doesn't believe in astrology. So, and I normally don't try to impress her with any predictions. I don't do also. So instead the deal went off. She was shocked. Then I told her, now you throw away those red shoes and see. Thank you, beta. So you throw away those red shoes and then see. And within a week, they got a new buyer. Anyway, Shivam in the chat box is writing, he is wearing blue color track pant and gray color t-shirts. Fantastic. Just one second. Joshua Joshi is also saying, brilliant, I'm also wearing blue track pants. Okay. Now, Balram Sharma wearing gray track pants now. Jitendra, even I'm wearing blue tracks and gray t-shirt. Sir, can you explain a bit how come you predicted a deal thing, connected shoe and deal? Okay, the thing is, 12th house is shoes and legs, the lower part of legs. 12th house is 4th from 9th. 9th is father. 4th from 9th will be the property of father. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. 4 from 9th, property of father.
And Dr. Savita Shah is saying, I'm wearing light purple dress. Yes, this is Nimit. Nimit. And I'm trying to tell him to go to his room. He's not going.
Sir, I want to say one thing about the Nimitta thing.
Hmm.
If you allow me, I'll take just 30 seconds.
Sure, sure.
Sir, a few days back, my father had a union election in his office. Okay. And my father is a very political kind of person. He'll try to be kingmaker and all that kind of person he is. So the contestant whom he was supporting came to my house, and my daughter was all playing and laughing. And suddenly that as soon as the contestant came, whom my father was supporting, my daughter started doing susu, potty, crying, everything she started. My father asked me what will happen to this contestant, because he was winning almost. Okay, there are 100, 200 votes in that election, and my father had counted it on fingers. I told him the same reason. The kid was laughing, playing, and suddenly as he came for the discussion thing, daughter started susu potty. He'll met through this way. Nobody is going to vote for him. And same thing happened, sir. The candidate who was to get 120 vote got even 5 votes.
My God. See, Nimitta is very difficult. It's not very easy to this thing. I still remember in the old edition of Prashna Marga translation by Dr. B.V. Raman. In the new edition, it is not there. Okay. In the old edition, which I read 15-20 years back, he says how Nimitta is the toughest science. If we, as an astrologer, Prashna is chart, we see somebody walking and carrying a pot of water in head or hand, and that pot falls down, breaks. So, what will we say? That this is a wrong event? Whatever is the query, whatever is the question, will give negative results. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. But Dr. Raman, this is an incident that happened in Kerala. And it is mentioned in some astrological book, which Dr. Raman quoted or something like that. But it was, Dr. Raman says, the astrologer says opposite, that it's a good event. The reason is the person who was carrying the pot was going away from the astrologer and the querist. So the problem has gone away, pot falling, problem completely dissolved. Are you all getting? It is very tough, very tough. I usually sit in my veranda. I have a small patio here. So when I'm talking to our team members, if they ask a question, I see crow comes. So instantly I draw a prashna and see where Saturn is or third lord is or third house afflictions. Are you all getting it? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So it is very, very tough. Prashna is very, very tough. Nimitta is very, very tough. It is not so easy.